Welcome to Science Force, where science comes alive. The human brain is one of the most delicate and vital organs in the body. To function properly, it must be protected from harmful substances circulating in the blood. This protection is provided by a highly specialized system called the blood-brain barrier, or BBB, the brain's own biological security shield. The barrier forms a strict boundary between the bloodstream and brain tissue. It carefully controls which substances are allowed to enter and which must be blocked. This selective filtering helps maintain a stable environment that neurons need to survive and function. The barrier is primarily formed by the walls of tiny blood vessels in the brain, called capillaries. These capillaries are lined by specialized cells known as endothelial cells. Unlike other blood vessels in the body, brain endothelial cells are sealed together with extremely tight connections called tight junctions. These junctions act like locked doors, preventing substances from slipping between the cells. The barrier is supported by additional cells that help maintain its strength and function. Pericytes wrap around capillaries and regulate blood flow. Astrocytes, star-shaped brain cells, surround the vessels and help control barrier activity. Together, these cells create a powerful protective system. One of the main functions of the blood-brain barrier is protection. It blocks harmful substances such as toxins, bacteria, viruses, and many drugs from entering brain tissue. This prevents damage to sensitive neurons. However, the brain still needs essential molecules to survive. Small gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide move freely across the barrier by simple diffusion. Oxygen enters the brain while carbon dioxide leaves as waste. Certain fat-soluble substances can also pass directly through cell membranes. These include alcohol, caffeine, nicotine, and some anesthetic drugs. Because they dissolve in lipids, they can easily cross the barrier. The brain requires a constant supply of glucose for energy. But glucose cannot cross freely. Instead, specialized transport proteins called GLUT1 transporters carry glucose safely into the brain. Water balance is also carefully regulated. Water molecules pass through dedicated channels known as aquaporins, which control fluid movement. Amino acids are essential for producing neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers of the nervous system. These molecules cross the barrier using specific transport systems designed for them. Some hormones such as steroid and thyroid hormones are lipid-soluble. Because of this, they can diffuse easily across the barrier and act directly on brain cells. In summary, the blood-brain barrier acts as a highly intelligent filter. It allows essential nutrients and oxygen to enter, removes waste products, and blocks harmful substances, all while maintaining chemical balance inside the brain. When the blood-brain barrier is damaged, harmful substances can enter brain tissue. This can occur in conditions such as stroke, inflammation, infection, or trauma, contributing to neurological disease. The blood-brain barrier is a remarkable biological defense system, selective, protective, and essential for survival. It ensures that the brain remains safe, stable, and able to perform the complex functions that sustain human life. Understanding the blood-brain barrier helps us understand how the brain protects itself and why maintaining its integrity is critical for health. Thank you for watching Science Force. If you enjoyed learning with us, like, share, and subscribe for more powerful science explanations. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and stay curious.